In the last 3 episodes of Onboard Lifestyle, the crew of Basic has been working our way down the outside of the Baja Peninsula. On last week's video, we anchored in Bahia Ascension, found internet, and enjoyed homemade pizza at La Bufadora. Basic flew down the coast to Punta where we spent one night just to get a bit of rest before the next leg to Bahia Santa Maria. My dad lost his glasses overboard.
I had to get it right to it. Oh, there goes my glasses.
Are you serious?
Serious, my glasses went over.
We had to fix the port rudder under sail.
The shear pin fell off.
And as always, we eat amazing meals along the way.
Did I hear dinner for Emma?
But we start this week's episode after a much needed night of rest and look forward to slowing our pace down in the beautiful Bay of Santa Maria.
We are now in Santa Maria, and this is the first day that we're just going to kind of regroup, relax, catch up on some chores. I started a load of laundry already. Which means we're gonna need more water. So Teal is working on making more water. This is our new to us Rain Man.
And we're loving it.
And we are absolutely loving it. We haven't shown you guys this little prize, but this was actually gifted to us. It was gifted to us by one of our amazing patrons, Samuel and Sydney. They actually purchased this for themselves, but they decided to upgrade to a more inline system. But this is exactly what we wanted.
Yeah, this is a modular system. So when we need water to make water, I pull it out. You have your high pressure pump, your membranes. You do connect a couple hoses. I do bring out the generator to power this. We probably could power it during the heat of the day with solar, but you know,
it's not recommended.
Yeah, it's not recommended. It's chews through a little bit of amps while it's running.
But look at this. Just drop it into your nice clean
I put
anchorage.
my sea strainer on the intake.
And the water here is just absolutely gorgeous.
So that's
Clear.
down about 3-4 feet. Plug it in. Here's the membranes here. They make this too easy.
It's like a water maker for dummies.
Here's the high pressure line that goes from the pump to the membrane. Here is the brine that goes overboard. Then here is the product water. We'll let this run for a few minutes, get it nice and clean before we start saving it. Okay, I'm going to test a little bit of this water. Been running now for about 2 minutes. We're right at 150 parts per million. I've seen it vary depending on what bay we're in, but anywhere from 110 to 150, right in that range. Oh, tastes perfect.
like I've been here before. Familiar with the view, this ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights. And I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you.
Compass doesn't know what to do. He wants to get to Teal and Emma. Compass! He's pretty smart though. He knows that the boat will get us to them. Come on, Compass. Come on. Come on. Come on. Compass, come here. Come on. Come on. Who's a good boy? Who is a good boy? Oh, look.
When I'm with you, I'm not myself. I got the best in me, 'cause I don't know you.
Hi, buddy. It's still going. You're a good swimmer.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, Compass.
Hi, baby.
So are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep them. And we're fading in and out together.
Yeah. Probably three. Three?
Yeah, how many are we getting?
Let's want to get three.
Yeah. Let me see it.
Do you want alive or dead?
Dead's fine. Yeah.
It's 200 pesos, right?
Well, that's what I'm gonna try to get. You want to get the bucket?
Yeah, I'll get that.
It's over there.
Is it 200 pesos?
Maybe a little more.
I only have 240 pesos.
Okay, well we'll see if I can get it for that.
Do you have candies for the children?
See. That's enough. Drinks is fine. Three.
For you, no problem.
Okay.
For the candy.
Oh, I see. ¿Cómo se llama?
My name?
Sí.
Alejandro.
Alejandro.
Oscar.
Oscar? Oscar.
Jose Luis.
Jose Luis.
And you?
Teal.
Teal?
Teal.
Teal.
Sí. Emma.
Emma.
Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I don't know if that's enough.
Good. Bueno?
Yeah.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
this looks
Amazing.
pretty decadent.
I know, right? It was so nice having those fishermen come by and sell us some fresh caught lobster.
Man.
I mean, it doesn't get better. I keep saying that, and it gets better.
What? Here we've been getting sick of tuna every night. But
I
you know what?
So when you're sick of tuna, you have some fresh lobster.
It's seafood.
But we have been on the hook now for 3 weeks. Almost, yeah, about 3 weeks. So,
Oh my goodness, thank you.
cheers.
Oh. Cheers. Langosta tonight.
Yum.
Our time in Santa Maria has come to an end. We are heading over to Magdalena Bay for a few days and then just explore.
Yeah, I'm so excited. This is gonna be awesome.
I know, Emma actually really liked this area, didn't you?
Yes, it was very nice. I got to swim a lot.
Anyway, so Teal's pulling out the anchor now, and Emma and I are gonna take Basic out of the bay.
Yeah, just keep spinning. Turn into it. Autopilot off. Okay, watch them now.
I am.
Can you see them?
Yep.
Okay, start falling back.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket.
The passage from Bahia Santa Maria to Bahia Magdalena was a nice leisurely sail down this rugged coast. The winds were light and the seas were flat. Did I mention that my mom made lobster rolls for lunch with the extra lobster the fisherman gave us? Yum! The entrance to Mag Bay is 3¼ miles wide and can have a swift current because it feeds not only Bahia Magdalena to the north, but Bahia Almias to the south. Paying close attention to the tidal flow will definitely make your bar crossing more efficient. We dropped anchor just inside the bay to the north on the south side of Punta Belcher.
We are now safely anchored in Punta Belcher in Magdalena Bay. It's just kind of nice to just kind of decompress. Emma has already convinced Teal to go ashore, do a little swimming or exploring.
Look at this. Oh my goodness.
You cannot keep it.
I want to keep it.
I don't know, she just was anxious to get off the boat and just kind of walk around a little bit.
This is so cool.
Is it alive?
No.
I'm just kidding.
I used the excuse of having to make dinner, so then I didn't have to go to shore because it just gives me an opportunity to clean up and make dinner. But sometimes I just like that alone time and just kind of taking it all in. But we should be here probably just a day, and then head over to Man of War Cove, which is a little bit further in. I think that there is a little restaurant with Wi-Fi there, and just a little bit more people. I think that there's a village there, so that'll be fun for Emma to hang out or meet some local kids. In the meantime, we're just kind of hanging out and just kind of enjoying what this Anchorage has to offer. We are here with, looks like 4 other boats, so that's kind of nice. And we also caught 2 more bonitos on the way in, so dinner is well taken care of for us. So, how was the beach?
It was super cool.
We beach combed, and what did you find?
A bunch of sea glass.
Oh, nice! You're gonna start adding to a collection, huh?
Yeah. We spent one night at Punta Belcher before sailing to the next anchorage in Bahia, Magdalena to Man of War Cove. It's only about 5 miles north, but we decided to sail into the wind for this short voyage. Basic covered twice the distance, tacking back and forth, enjoying a spirited upwind sail. The anchorage off the small village of Puerto Magdalena was crowded. There were over 20 boats at any given time, enjoying the somewhat protected corner of the bay. We dropped our hook and settled into our home for the next few days.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you liked it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. A special thanks to our patrons who make these videos possible. Join if you can. With the sunny weather and warmer waters, we enjoyed a much slower pace this week, but have to keep pushing south towards Cabo San Lucas. Come back next week for the final leg of the outside of the Baja Peninsula. See you then.